Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Future I. Dear students, in this class I am going to explain 15 very most important MCQs from the chapter Surface Areas and Volumes. As you know, this is huge chapter, hence let me complete MCQs of this chapter in two parts. Before going to question section, there is a request from my side. If you are watching my videos first time, kindly subscribe for my channel and share the video. Now let us move on to question section. First one, the surface area of a solid hemisphere is pi r square, 4 pi r square, 4 by 3 pi r square, 3 pi r square. Children, before going to answer for this question, I wanted to convey you very important thing, that is, in this chapter, how many formulas are there? First, learn of all those formulas well. Because in this year exam, definitely you are going to get 2 marks from the formulas of this chapter. So let me take a table here. So you note it down this table and learn all formulas. Now look at the question. We wanted to answer for surface area of solid hemisphere. So if they ask for surface area, always you should understand it is for total surface area. Now in this table, hemisphere is in this column and its total surface area is 3 pi r square. Hence, option D is correct answer. 3 pi r square. Second question. The height of a hollow cylinder is 7 cm and its radius is 3.5 cm. Then the surface area is 231 cm square, 154 cm square, 308 cm square, 115.5 cm square. Children, understand the problem first. In this problem, height of hollow cylinder is given. Hollow in the sense, you can imagine a plastic pipe, that is called hollow cylinder because inside it will be empty. So that height is given, that is 7 cm. And radius is given 3.5 cm. We need to find surface area. As I said earlier, surface area in the sense we have to find total surface area. Therefore, note it down the given things. R is 3.5 and H is 7 cm. Take the formula, that is 2 pi r into H plus R. Substitute the values. 2 write as it is. Pi value is 22 by 7, r value is 3.5 and height is 7 and again r is 3.5. Now let me simplify this, children. So here 7 ones are and here 7 0.5 are 3.5. And now this 22 multiply to 0.5. So easily we can multiply because half of 22 is 11. And add these two things. 7 plus 3.5 is 10.5. So this we will get. Now here 11 multiplied to 10.5 will get 115.5 and 2 write as it is. Now 2 multiplied to 115.5 will get 231 centimeter square. So 231 centimeter square is option A. And one more very important thing here is, whenever you are going to find area, whether it is surface area or total surface area or curved surface area or normal area, the unit will be always in square form. So that you have to keep it in your mind. Next, move on to the another one. If the circumference of the base of cylinder is 44 cm and height is 20 cm, then its lateral surface area is 440 square centimeter, 880 square centimeter, 88 square centimeter, 44 square centimeter. Understand the problem here. Circumference of the base of cylinder is 44. Circumference is given. So circumference means circumference of circle. So circumference of circle finding formula is 2 pi r. So 2 pi r value is given. That is 44. And height is given, that is 20 centimeter. Now we need to find LSA. Hence first let me take LSA finding formula, that is 2 pi r h. Now in this 2 pi r value is given. So write 44 in that place and h value is 20. Now multiply these two. 44 into 20 is 880 square centimeter. Hence the correct option is B. Move on to the next one. The circumference of the base of right circular cylinder is 44 centimeter and height is 10 centimeter. Then its lateral surface area is, given options are 44 centimeter square, 400 centimeter square, 54 centimeter square and 440 centimeter square. So it is just like a last problem. So you can try by yourself. So no need of explanation. So write off the formula. Substitute the values in this, children. So 2 pi RH value is given, that is 44 into 10. So you'll get 440 square centimeter. So square centimeter, in the sense here centimeter square you have to write. So correct option is D. Here you write option D, children, not option B. So you write it option D, that is 440 square centimeter. So next move on to the another problem. The formula used to find the total surface area of a cone is, options pi rl, pi r into r plus l, 2 pi rh, 2 pi r into r plus h. So as I said, you want to learn this table very well. If you know this table, easily you can answer for this kind of problems. So here they are asking total surface area of cone. So cone is in this column. So its total surface area is pi r into r plus l. Hence correct option is B. Move on to the next one. The shape of each face of a cube is, very simple question, square, triangle, pentagonal, hexagonal. So let me take a figure here. So it is a cube. So in cube, each face shape is in the form of square. Hence option A is correct one. Move on to the next one. A solid obtained by rotation of a rectangle about one of its fixed sides is called sphere, cone, cylinder, hemisphere. Children, understand the problem here. So the solid which is obtained by rotation of rectangle. So you just imagine you have taken a sheet of paper which is in the form of rectangle and you are rotating it by fixing one side. So which kind of figure you are going to get? So that is definitely cylinder. So you just imagine this is a rectangle. So if you fold this on a fixed side, so you will get cylinder. So hence correct option is cylinder. And here I wanted to convey one more information, that is, so if you revolute this right angle triangle, you will get cone. So this is also very important one. So if you rotate a rectangular thing, you will get a cylinder. Similarly, if you revolute right angle triangle, you will get cone. Move on to the next question. The height of the cylinder is 20 centimeter and radius is 7 centimeter. volume of cylinder is 3080 centimeter cube, 3080 centimeter square, 3080 centimeter and 308 centimeter cube. Children, without solving this problem, we can delete these options because here we wanted to find volume of cylinder. So this unit is in centimeter and this unit is in centimeter square. Volume will be in centimeter cube in this problem. So hence these two cannot be the answer. Let me solve the problem. So take volume of cylinder finding formula pi r square h, substitute values. So R value is 7 and H value is 20. So 7 expand 2 times. So 7 and 7 get cancelled. Now multiply 22 into 7 is 154. Now 154 multiplied to 20, we get 3080 centimeter cube. Hence option A is correct. Next question. The volume of cuboid whose length, breadth and height is 12 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter is 568 cubic centimeter, 576 square centimeter. Children, in this problem we are going to find volume. So this cannot be the correct answer because here unit is in square centimeter form. And the last one is 570 cubic centimeter. So in this problem we need to find volume of cuboid. Take volume of cuboid finding formula, that is L into B into H. Substitute the values. Length is 12 centimeter, breadth is 8 centimeter and height is 6 centimeter. Now multiply all this. 12 into 8 is 96. 96 6 576 cubic centimeter. Correct option is 576 cubic centimeter. That is option number B. Next one. The volume of right circular cylinder whose circular base area is 154 square centimeter and height 10 centimeter is. See, this kind of already two problems we have solved. So options are 15.40 cc, cc in the sense here cubic centimeter. So here 15,400 cc, 1.540 cc, 1540 cc. So take volume of cylinder finding formula, that is pi r square h. In last two problems I think we have found surface area. So in this problem we are going to find volume, children, not area. So take volume of cylinder finding formula, substitute the given values. So circular base area is given, means pi r square value is given. So base in cylinder is in the form of circle. So base area is given in the means we have to understand they have given area of the circle. Now in the place of pi r square substitute 154 and in the place of h substitute 10. Now multiply these two. 154 into 10 is 1540 cc, means cubic units. Now the correct option is option D. Move on to the next one. Lateral surface area of the frustum of cone is pi into r1 plus r2h, pi into r1 plus r2h, pi into r1 minus r2l. D1 is pi into r1 plus r2 into l. So it is a given figure. Now here you wanted to write LSA, lateral surface area of frustum. So lateral surface area is also called curved surface area. So to make you to confusion, sometimes they'll mention it as lateral surface area and sometimes they'll mention it as curved surface area. So actually the frustum of cone will be having CSA. So here they have asked for lateral surface area, hence you should not confuse. So the correct option is option D, that is pi into r1 plus r2 into l. Move on to the next one. the surface area of a sphere of radius 7 centimeter is. Here also we wanted to find surface area. So surface area in the sense total surface area of sphere we wanted to find. Given options are 88 centimeter square, 616 centimeter square, 661 centimeter square, 308 centimeter. So this cannot be the option. So take surface area of a sphere finding formula 4 pi r square, substitute the values here, r value 7, hence expand 7 2 times because r square here. So here 7 and 7 will get cancelled. Now 4 multiplied to 22. So 22 4s are 88. Now 88 multiplied to 7, we get 616. So unit is a centimeter there, hence we get centimeter square. Correct option is B. Move on to the next one. Formula used to find surface area of sphere whose radius or units is. So the formula of surface area of sphere. So options are pi r square, 2 pi r square, 3 pi r square, 4 pi r square. So correct option is D, 4 pi r square. Children, here I wanted to convey one more important thing is, see, pi r square is area of the circle. 2 pi r square is CSA of hemisphere. 3 pi r square is TSA of hemisphere. So 4 pi r square is TSA of sphere. So if you keep in this order, pi r square, 2 pi r square, 3 pi r square, 4 pi r square in your mind, so 4 formulas easily you can be learned. So move on to the next one. So if the volume of cube is 343 centimeter cube, then its edge is. Options are 9 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 49 centimeter, 7 centimeter. So in this problem, volume of cube is given. Now you have to find the length of the edge. So for that we have to use volume of cube finding formula, that is A cube. You can write it as L cube. So it's your wish. Now volume is given, hence in the place of volume write 343 and here A cube will be as it is. Now this cube you transfer this side, it becomes as cube root. So A is equals to cube root. So here 3 you want to write. So cube root 343. So 343 is cube of which number? That is 7. So therefore correct option is D, 7 centimeter. Move on to the next one. If the volume and surface area of sphere is equal, then the radius is. Given options are 3 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 9 centimeter, 12 centimeter. See here volume as well as surface area of sphere are equal. So both are equal. We wanted to find it here radius. So for that, so let us take volume of surface area. Volume of sphere is equals to volume of surface area. So volume of sphere finding formula 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume surface area of a sphere finding formula is 4 pi r square. Now here this 4 and 4 will get cancelled and this pi and pi will get cancelled. Now this denominator 3 transfer this side, it becomes to numerator, and this r square transfer this side, it will become to denominator, just like this. Now here r cube there and here r square there. So according to laws of exponent, this we can write it as r raised to the power of 3 minus 2. So r raised to the power of 3 minus 2 is nothing but we get r to the power 1. R to the power 1 is nothing but r only. So now r is equals to 3. So the correct option is option A. This. Dear students, I hope you have understood these 15 multiple choice questions. So all were very easy when I have taken, and in the next video, so I'll make some difficult multiple choice questions. So before close this session, There is a request, if you are not subscribed for my channel, kindly subscribe and share the video. Thank you.